Hello viewers, welcome to HMSDESK. What is knee replacement surgery? Knee replacement, also called knee arthroplasty or total knee replacement, is a surgical procedure to resurface a knee damaged by arthritis. Metal and plastic parts are used to cap the ends of the bones that form the knee joint, along with the kneecap. This surgery may be considered for someone who has severe arthritis or a severe knee injury. Why knee replacement surgery performed? Knee replacement surgery is a treatment for pain and disability in the knee. The most common condition that results in the need for knee replacement surgery is osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is characterized by the breakdown of joint cartilage. Damage to the cartilage and bones limits movement and may cause pain. Total knee replacement. If your knee is severely damaged by arthritis or injury, it may be hard for you to perform simple activities, such as walking or climbing stairs. You may even begin to feel pain while you are sitting or lying down. If non-surgical treatments like medications and using walking supports are no longer helpful, you may want to consider total knee replacement surgery. Joint replacement surgery is a safe and effective procedure to relieve pain, correct leg deformity, and help you resume normal activities. For most people, knee replacement provides pain relief, improved mobility, and a better quality of life. And most knee replacements can be expected to last more than 15 years. How painful is a knee replacement? Research suggests that up to 1/3 of those who have knees replaced continue to experience chronic pain, while 1 in 5 are dissatisfied with the results. Get details about knee replacement causes, types, risks, preparation, procedure, recovery, etc. at hmsdesk.com. Knee replacement surgery cost in India. The expenses incurred in the entire travel for knee replacement in India are very less than most popular Western countries. The average knee replacement surgery range from $2,500 to $7,000 and depend on the hospital facilities. Why from hmsdesk.com? HMSDESK is trusted medical tourism company and a complete healthcare facilitator based in India. HMSDESK an associate partner with the best orthopedic surgeon and hospitals, which are providing world-class treatment at an affordable cost. India has emerged as a hub of highly skilled medical fraternity and internationally trained, experienced, and competent doctors. HMSDESK helps international as well as Indian patients to get treatment from the best doctors and hospitals. We make your medical travel easy, convenient, and cheaper without sacrificing the quality of services. Who will take care of all the functions? HMSDESK will help and take care with the arrangement of medical visas, to and fro airport service, accommodation, an appointment with the surgeon, lab tests, etc. Along with specialist consultations, clinical investigations and consultations at short notice. HMSDESK provide end-to-end services such as takes care of medical facilities and planning a vacation in India, rejuvenation, rehab facilities. Plan knee replacement surgery with HMSDESK. Email support@hmsdesk.com. Visit website hmsdesk.com. Thank